Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Tamasha. I am Prem Tarneja. The last session of Parliament before the elections began this week in fitting style. It was adjourned. On the show today, Modi wants to have tea with you. It's a buffalo's life in Uttar Pradesh, and the third front shows us what it's got. But first, the Aam Aadmi Party got a shot in the arm this week with the news that its law minister's raid in New Delhi's Khirki extension may have actually helped victims of trafficking. Not that the AAP needed too much confidence boosting, mind you. Undeterred by all the controversies of his first month in power, Arvind Kejriwal recently unveiled his list of India's most corrupt politicians. As you can imagine, it's a long list. I can imagine Kejriwal going wild over it, including everyone from Rahul Gandhi to Suresh Kalmadi. But before he gets too high on denouncing other people, he should remember the ancient law that what goes around comes around. Also, the law of defamation.
Okay, so in our ongoing onslaught, we'll keep firing on all our cylinders. Understood?
Sir, there has been widespread criticism of the way we've handled the Khirki extension issue, and also...
Oh, chore, listen. Who is criticizing us? Eh? Baula hai. We are going to do what we think. समझ गया?
अरे भाईसा, correct. I say all these people who criticize, they should be socially boycotted. सबका हुक्का पानी बंद.
अरे who is सरपंच रे छोरे? Me or you?
भाईसा, सरपंच जी तो आप हैं.
So all decisions will also be taken by me.
जी.
मैं लूँगा, समझ गया? We will socially boycott all the people I announce. हाँ तो लिख रहा छोरे.
जी भाईसा.
These people are most corrupt and इन सबका हुक्का पानी बंद हो रहा है.
जी सरपंच जी.
लिख पर फटाफट.
हाँ जी.
सोनिया गांधी,
राहुल गांधी,
मोदी भाई रे मोदी,
मोदी.
हाँ. Go and distribute this list to all the villages. अब आएगा मजा.
सरपंच जी, you list.
अरे तू बावड़ा हो गया के? अरे I told you to distribute it in other villages. तू इंगे लेके आ गया इन्ने?
अरे सर जी, this is the list of people who are suing you for defamation.
What? These are the same leaders who I had announced as the most corrupt?
Yes, sir. Now, what should we do?
Let's go!
But where?
We'll do dharna!
Dharna? Oh, not again, please!
And now I'm joined by the leader of the NCP and ally of the Congress party, Shri Sharad Pawar. Some tea, Sharadji?
No, thanks, Prem. I had before coming.
I see. So then it's true what's being rumored that you met Modi recently.
A wonderful chai. What? No. It's not true. It's just a false rumor. We are 100% with the Congress party.
And yet you have still not worked out your seat-sharing arrangement with them in Maharashtra? Driving a hard bargain, are you?
It will all be worked out. Don't worry. By the way, people should really stop bringing up the 2002 riots. After all, the court has given Modi a clean chit.
I thought we were talking about bargaining for seats with the Congress in Maharashtra. And now you're defending Modi. Is there a connection here? Are you using a possible alliance with Modi as a bargaining tool against the Congress?
What an absurd idea. There is no connection, Prem. I'm just saying, just dropping what's on my mind.
These things we just drop do tend to take root and grow, you know.
Of course I know. I am the agriculture minister.
Yes, so you must really have enjoyed the Sonia Modi debate last week on the issue of Zehar ki kheti.
कृषि दर्शन में सभी दर्शकों का स्वागत है. As you all know, in modern India, one of the most commercially important crops is poison. It grows quickly, spreads fast, and fetches a good return during elections. लेकिन ये जहर की खेती किस तरह से होती है, ये जानने के लिए we have with us नरेंद्र मोदी जी. नरेंद्र जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
मोदी जी, tell us, what do you like most about जहर की खेती?
The return on investment, it's mind-boggling. मेरा मतलब, why are you asking me? मुझे क्या पता भाई?
भाई सुनने में तो आया है that you are the biggest expert in this kind of farming. मैडम कह रही थी.
That's right. इन्हीं से पूछिए.
अरे भाई, एक्सपर्ट तो सामने बैठी है. As I said the other day, जहर की खेती is only possible by using power wala gobar, and I hardly have it. Whereas these people have had it for 50 plus years.
60 plus.
Just see,
So then you are the expert, madam.
Nonsense. I hate getting my hands dirty. How can I be doing any kheti-veti, let alone zahar ki kheti?
This is very confusing, ji, very confusing. We can see the poison has spread all over this land. If neither of you has been growing it, then who is responsible? हमारे साथ एक किसान भाई जुड़ रहे हैं, उनसे कहते हैं कि वो प्रकाश डालें इस पे. हाँ जी किसान जी बोलिए.
Babuji, it is supposed to be my land, but one day these people came and since then all my crops have died and only this poison grows.
Aha, then you are the real farmer, हैं? जहर उगा रहे हो आप. तो आप ही बताइए हमारे दर्शकों को कि ये जहर की खेती कैसे होती है.
But I just explained to you. You ask these people in your studio.
क्या बोले आपको?
अरे जल्दी बताइए भाई. अरे कैमरा चालू है भाई, कैमरा चल रहा है. अरे राम प्रकाश से बोर्ड लगा भाई, बोर्ड लगा जल्दी से.
Your son Rahul goes with the backpack to give them these poisonous seeds.
Any words of support for our suffering farmers, Minister?
Pray for rain and don't get involved with politics, okay?
That's a very convenient answer for all politicians. But of course, it's the big decisions you all take that impact the tiniest of things on the ground. That's what makes it difficult to go ahead with a move like dividing Andhra Pradesh without winning over the state's representatives, as the UPA is now discovering. Well, it's time for a break. But on the way out, let's look in on this decades-old operation still waiting for its surgeon. See you in just a few minutes.
Dr. Rajnath, the patient's life is in danger. I think only amputation of one of the limbs can save him. What do you think?
I totally agree with you. It is the only way out.
Dr. Kiran Kumar Reddy, start making arrangements for the operation. So everything is settled, Dr. Kiran Kumar Reddy. Start the incision. Hello? What's the matter? Can't you hear me? The health of this poor guy is deteriorating. If we don't do something, the poison will spread to other parts. Dr. Rajnath, what are you doing standing idle? Help me.
Where are the scissors? There are no tools. How do I operate? With my nails?
Dr. Reddy, this is too much. I ordered you to bring the tools and start before he dies.
Am I going to die?
Oh, you don't worry. Nothing's gonna happen to you. Call Dr. Rahul. Wait. He hasn't performed any surgery of...
Oh, Sonia ji. I'll call Dr. Modi.